What's up, folks? Heine's Morning Update, May 20th. OPEX. So please be careful today. No economic news, so just fuckery on the charts. Talk about double bottom here at 80, 38, 55, 56. That's legit if that holds. So I think there's a lot of bullish sentiment going on. Here's my new range though, is 38.55 to 4,100 basically. The other day I said, where I was talking here, and we had printed the 95 half in the overnight, and I said I wanted to see 4,100 or 41.25 and then crush souls. Well, the overnight held, and then we just crushed souls. This 56 was done in the overnight as well. So both your high and your low were both done not in the cash session, which is interesting to me. Prior day we had an up day trend up. We had a consolidation day. We had a pop higher, and then we had the overnight print. We crushed souls. We had a consolidation day, and here we are today. In all aspects, this looks bullish to me. So we could see a trend day higher today. OPEX means, that we're going to probably pin a strike here. So I would assume 4,000 or 40.50. My two pins I think I would watch would be 4,000 or 3,800. Those two, since we're at 39.5. Either of are obtainable. Lord knows everything is in striking distance these days. Last year, this would be unheard of, me giving you levels 150 out as reasonable levels. So just to kind of take a watch of where we're at. Pivots 3,900. So 3,900 is going to be a big level today. Your overnight is 2 points below that. You had a 39, 06 or 05 level over here. So 39.05 to 3,900. I would watch that. If we break 3,900, I would assume we'd retest the 38, 55, 56 area. Upset again. If we get above 62, we see 80, and then we're right at the 4,000 mark. SPX to close green for the week would be 40.24. So that would be roughly 420 on ES, give or take some points. I don't know what the divergence is right now. I know it's narrowing. Could be less. So that would be something I would watch. So the 40.25, 40.30 on ES, the 40.25 on SPX. Again, we could open up higher and then crash lower, or we could just trend higher. I don't know today until we start to get action. Euro typically was a good indicator, except yesterday when it rallied, ripped faces off up to the 106 level, and SPX did nothing. So typically that would have brought SPX up. Now we're still holding close to up there. So that either is delayed or this indicator just isn't working right now, which is fine because this is what happens. If you remember during the Russia-Ukraine thing back in February, I was telling you to watch the wheat market. So there's always indicators that are going to tell you or help you, show you what's, and they're transient. Nothing works all the time. So I always keep an eye on this, but I'm putting less value in it just because it's not necessarily helping. It's this divergence kind of raised eyebrows yesterday. So, but I will continue to watch that as you should too. Is this a bullish flag on the hourly? I don't know. Have we gone? We did hit the 103 level. So was that it? And now we're going to go back up to 108. I don't know. We'll have to stay tuned. It amazes me that this is still a valid currency, but that's just my thoughts. So today, 39. So here's our range is 39.50 to 3,900 basically. So any break of that range should either present upside or downside. An open above 44. I would assume we would start to start to just take off on the upside. I would worry about an upside, if we shoot up early, that would be suspect. Just like if we tanked early, that would be suspect. I don't know. I would assume that they're going to pick a direction and go with it today. But again, it's OPEX. I have no idea, and I'm going to be very gun shy on any trades today. So, but if we lose 56, then I don't see how we don't see 3,800. Again, who knows? So anyway, that's kind of what I'm looking at. And again, if you don't see the trade, if you're not, just be careful today. I know these consolidated days, they can really ping pong and be very tough to trade. Trend days are typically easier. I'm just not fully convinced that this is a trend day, and then I just think there's going to be shenanigans and fuckery. So please be careful today. Anyway, happy Friday.